What's up guys, Isaac back again with another video. Today I got some helpful tips that will definitely help you out in your vending machine business. Just some tips and tricks and mistakes that I've learned along the way. So stay tuned, let's get into the video. Mistake number one, I actually tried to pitch my own job, a vending machine. And honestly, everything was going great, they were all on board. And then right when we started getting into the details, they told me that they cannot go into business with me because it would be a conflict of interest. So for those of you out there who want to pitch your own vending machine to the job you're currently at, make sure you have like a partner or a family member, someone else handle the details, because they cannot go into business with you because it's a conflict of interest. So they don't need to know that it's your company. Yo, and here's another tip for you guys, try to be creative, make it fun, try to do anything you can to get more sales. I started this little mystery bag lotto game, so I'm putting like some dollar scratchers behind certain bags of chips, and I'll usually put it behind something that's not moving, like these pop things, they don't move too much, so I might even like show it like behind in like the third row so people buy it on purpose. But yeah, just some little tips and tricks for you guys to help you out with your vending machine business. All right, another tip, make sure you test vendor products, especially if like a bag of chips is like touching like the top of the bar. And here's why, check this out. Now that sucks. So the first one got stuck, and then she tried to buy a second one so it'll fall out, and they both got stuck. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Cheated.
How much money did you spend?
Too much on
Dang.
0 bags of chips.
On 0 bags of chips. And here's my last tip. When you're getting a high traffic location like a mall or a hotel, make sure you actually have some money saved over just in case things go wrong and you don't have enough money for rent. So don't blow all your money on the snacks in the vending machine and just hope that you're gonna have enough money for the rent. Because if you don't, that is gonna ruin you, it's gonna ruin your reputation, and it's not gonna be a good look. So just plan for a buffer to make sure you have enough capital to pay the rent in case your sales don't do as good as you thought.